Green walls are gaining popularity among architects all over the world. A green wall is a vertically constructed structure that is covered in vegetation on purpose. Green walls use a vertically applied growth medium, such as soil, substitute substrate, or hydroculture felt, as well as an integrated hydration and fertilizer delivery system. They are also referred to as living walls or vertical gardens, and they are widely associated with the provision of a wide range of beneficial ecosystem services. But does it actually work? Here are some of the most important things to know about green wall. Various types of green walls can be installed on the exterior of a building. Green walls include both living walls and green facades. In living walls, panels of pre-grown plants are typically installed across a wall face to create a dense arrangement of greenery. Climbing plants on a support structure, such as wire rope or a mesh trellis, form green facades. Stainless steel is frequently used for support systems, especially in multi-story buildings where strength and longevity are critical. Green walls or living walls are used for more than just the exteriors of buildings. They can also be installed as interior decoration to help provide cleaner and cooler indoor air to building occupants. A green wall can be beneficial in a number of ways. These are some examples. Green walls protect the structure from rain and temperature fluctuations, which aids in preventing cracks and deterioration. Surface temperatures on a green wall can be up to 15 degrees lower than on a bare wall, according to some studies. Green walls also reduce energy costs by mitigating the urban heat island effect and shading the building from direct sunlight. Green walls also absorb pollutants as well in the vicinity, which benefits building users' health. Green walls may also increase a property's value, particularly if the building's performance improves and it receives green certification. Green walls are most commonly found in cities, where the plants help to cool the structure. Insolation, or the absorption of solar radiation by city roads and buildings, is the primary cause of heat buildup in cities, followed by heat storage in building materials and subsequent re-irradiation. Plant surfaces, on the other hand, rarely exceed the ambient temperature by more than 4 to 5 degrees Celsius and are sometimes even colder. Water can also be reused by using living walls. Plants can purify slightly polluted water by absorbing dissolved nutrients, such as greywater. Bacteria can mineralize organic components so that plants can be able to use them. Living walls are ideal for cities because they make good use of available vertical surface areas. They are also appropriate for arid climates because circulating water on a vertical wall is less likely to evaporate than in horizontal gardens. Green walls add an extra layer of insulation to buildings, protecting them from heavy rains and resulting in stormwater management and thermal mass. Because vegetation absorbs a lot of solar radiation, they also help to lower building temperatures. This can help to save energy while also cleaning the air of VOC or volatile organic compounds emitted by paints, furniture, and adhesives. Headaches, eye irritation, airway irritation, and internal air pollution can all be caused by VOC off-gassing. Green walls can also aid in air purification by preventing mold growth in building interiors, which can lead to asthma and allergies. Green walls with vegetation can help to reduce heat islands and increase urban biodiversity. Exposure to vegetation via indoor green walls can be therapeutic. Green walls have an aesthetic feel and visual appearance that improves the indoor climate by lowering carbon dioxide levels, noise levels, and air pollution. However, in order to have the greatest impact on the indoor climate, the plants in the green wall must be grown in the best condition possible, which includes proper watering, fertilization, and lighting. To achieve the best results on all of the aforementioned, some green wall systems have special and patented technologies that are developed for the benefit of the plants. Green walls provide acoustic protection and noise reduction in urban areas by absorbing sound. A computer model of a green wall with a diverse range of vegetation was created by Thomas Pugh, a biogeochemist at Germany's Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. The green wall's ability to absorb nitrogen dioxide and particulate matter was demonstrated in the study. In street canyons where polluted air is trapped, green walls can absorb polluted air and purify street air quality. Green facades versus living walls. Plants that climb or hang along the walls are known as green facades. Plants can grow both up and down. Green facades are divided into two types, direct and indirect. Direct green facades are attached to the wall, whereas indirect green facades include a structure to support plants. Indirect green facades come in two varieties: continuous and modular. Modular and continuous systems secure and protect the living wall, allowing it to withstand changing weather conditions. Modular green facades come in trays, vessels, planter tiles, or flexible bags with vessels for rooting plants. Living walls have a uniform way of growing plants. There is more technology and installation involved. They have permeable screens, where each plant is individually put in and the application is lightweight. A living wall requires regular maintenance, the right location, and the right plants to thrive. To keep the wall healthy, dead plants and weeds should be pruned, and gaps should be filled. To improve aesthetics, plants should be planted close together. Because diseased plants can contaminate those around them, only the right plants should be used in the right places. To have a year-round grown wall, 95% of the plants must be evergreen. For seasonal green walls, perennials are the best option. Disease-resistant plants must be chosen because plant replacement is costly. When evaluating long-term green walls, plant lifespan must also be considered, and remember that certain plants are more effective than others. To summarize, green walls can be advantageous in a variety of ways. It shields the structure from rain and changing temperatures, allowing it to avoid the expansion and contraction that causes cracks and deterioration. It saves energy by reducing the urban heat island effect and shading the building from direct sunlight. It absorbs pollutants in the surrounding area, which helps to improve the health of building occupants. To function properly, a green wall must be professionally designed, engineered, installed, and maintained. This ensures that it will be compatible with the structure and climate for many years. Local climate, sunlight and wind levels, plant species, load effects on the building, and how the green infrastructure will be maintained are all considered. I hope I've answered most of your questions about green walls and how they can help reduce heat island effect, not to mention the visual aesthetics and greening quality they provide. Thank you very much for watching. Before you leave, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and share my channel. You may click the notification bell icon so you won't miss out on my latest uploads. Goodbye for now, and I would like to see you again on my upcoming videos. Again, bye.